Hello friends, today we are going to solve Leetcode's daily practice problem, maximum number of fish in a grid. Okay, now let's initialize our variables m and n as length of grid and length of grid of 0th component. After this, visited as false component for I in range n and that all component for I in range m. After this, max fish equal 0. Now we are going to define our helper function getFish, which takes grid, visited, row and column as parameters. In first case, we will check if row not in range length of grid or column not in range length of grid of first component. We will simply return 0. So if grid of row column equal 0, that it doesn't contain water, or not visited of row column equal true, then we will simply return 0. Now mark the visited of row column as true to not cause any error. After this, we are going to calculate left, right, up and down. In left, we have to do column -1. In right, we have to do column +1. In up, we have to do row -1. And for down, we have to do row +1. In the end, simply return current grid value, which is grid of row column plus left plus right plus up plus down. Now run two for loops for I in range m or j in range n and check if grid of row column is greater than 0 and not of visited of row of column. Then maximum fish equal maximum of maximum fish comma get fish with current respective values. In the end, simply return maximum fish. Oh no, we have written lang instead of len function. So let me quickly fix it. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.